Hey students, today we are making a weather app. What this app will do, you type the name of the city and it will search for its weather condition and prints it on the terminal. So let's get started. For that, open PyCharm. I have already written the code here. You can copy this code and paste it here. This code is available on my website concepts.pk. So for that you just need to install two packages. One is bs4 and one is request. For that you need to go to terminal, type command. To install bs4, just type this command pip install bs4. This bs4 is this one. Just enter. Now you will install requests. So for that type command pip install requests. So so uh, now after these two packages are installed, uh, it's pretty much done. Just execute the code from here. Okay, write the name of the city. I will write Lahore. So it's searching for details. So its weather today is Thursday 10 p.m. Weather condition is smoke and 21 degrees centigrade. Okay, let's search for another. Say I search for Hamburg. Okay, it will take some time because it need to connect to the internet and search it on Google. So it's Thursday 6 p.m. the standard time there, and partially cloudy and 11 degrees centigrade. Now we can uh, write this city, say New York. So it's Thursday 1 p.m. It's the time standard time of US, cloudy 11 degrees centigrade. So you can say my hometown Faisalabad. So it's 10 p.m. smoke 21 degrees centigrade. So if you see this code, this is the function I have created. So first of all, the code will start here. It will ask you to enter the name of the city and it will be stored in this city variable. So after that I will call this variable weather and give it argument as city. Then this function will be called and it will just uh, search it on Google, and it is using Chrome. So after that it will print information. Thank you.